Today on the Street Food Chef, I'm here trying to find Mbah Marto, and there's so many little alleyways and gangs. It's in a very, very small place down a small side street, almost hidden in fact, but it's very busy and it's very popular. So follow me as I try and find it. So today on the Street Food channel, I'm in somewhere very interesting, and it's very traditional. It's in the backwaters of Jogja, and what's known really well here is it's Lele, which is Lele Mangut, which is basically grilled catfish, and then it's cooked in sambal krecek, which is like a chili sambal with beef skin in it, and then it's slowly braised. And then also they serve opor here, and they also serve a nangka dish as well. The food here is incredibly simple. It's really rustic. It's run by an old lady called Mbah Marto that's about 104 years old. I mean 104, and she's still having a laugh and she's still having a joke. She's what makes this place. It's an absolute character. And what's interesting with all this stuff is the way they slowly grill it, which creates a smokiness. And of course, when you have smoke and then you have chili, you have umami. That's just a lot of strong flavors. But you know, people travel all over to come to this place. And you know, people come from Jakarta to come here, film crews come here. It's an iconic place. Oh, I'm glad to get out of that smoky room. But again, that's what makes this dish so good. It's the smokiness of it. It's the smoking of the catfish, the caramelization of the skin, and then also with the krecek. So let's have a taste. And that krecek tastes so good today. Krecek is basically made with tempeh, chili, and then also beef skin as well. And then it's cooked out with shallots and garlic, and then it's cooked out, and then they cook it with coconut milk, and then slowly reduce that down. And the one that she uses very little, but the one that I use is a little bit more coconut milk in it. It's a bit of a nicer flavor. And the fish is fantastic as well. Yeah. It's a very signature dish. And, you know, the thing about this warung, it's more about its tradition rather than about necessarily how good the meal is. But for me, it still tastes good. And she is an iconic woman, and this warung is iconic in Jogja.